If you're talking OG Binondo Eats, you have to talk about Chuanki. This place is old school legendary. The kind na hindi kailangan ng hype sa social media kasi ang pila pa lang, panalo na. Yes, expect a long queue. Yung tipong iisipin mo, worth it nga ba talaga? Then after that first bite, alam mo na agad ang sagot. Their pork asado, tender, slightly sweet, and deeply savory. Lasang tradition. The lechon paksiw is rich and comforting, that perfect balance of suka, tamis at malinamnam na sarsa. And of course, the crowd favorite, Xiaolong Bao. Steaming hot, delicate wrapper, then boom, that flavorful soup burst inside. Careful lang sa first bite, mainit pero sobrang sulit. Food trip sa Binondo isn't complete without this stop. Mahabang pila? Oo, pero bawat subo, parang sinasabi sa'yo, welcome to the real Chinatown flavor. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mga tropa? Tara na at mag-food trip tayo.